here goes the package. Do we open this? Here it comes, wrapped in nice bubble wrap. Here we go, the Keychron K1 version 4. Latest version as of this year. Quite a nice packaging. Oh, this is the back. So the front is like this, almost totally black. It's this, there's a design on it, but you can hardly see it. It says here Keychron K1 10 keyless mechanical keyboard. Wireless mechanical keyboard with low profile switches. So we have serial numbers and some information. Okay, let's get this open. Definitely not one of those pure white Apple boxes, isn't it? Okay, let's lift up the cover. And here we go. The keyboard. Some instructions, layout, and how to change the key layouts for different configurations. We have one USB A to C cable. Wow. We have keycap remover and the other keycaps. Okay, let's take a look at it. The default setting should be for the Mac. Get that. So I've got the K1, which is the low profile gateron keys. I've got a red, which is actually the quietest. So yeah, it's pretty quiet. Nice feel. Definitely not one of those ultra obnoxiously loud clicky ones. Okay, so let's get it set up. Okay, because I'm using it on a Windows configuration, so I'm going to need to follow these instructions, which says that find the appropriate keycaps, which are these packets here, and then follow the instructions below to find and replace, which I guess would be these 4 keys. The function alternate. Yep, okay. So let's see what's in the extra keys. So we have 4 here. So alternate, the function. What are these 2? Escape and what is this? Light? Keyboard light side. I guess if you could change out the escape key if you want to. Currently this is on the orange escape key, which is pretty nice. It's got a very nice heft to it. Oh, let's look at the buttons as well. So not on the bottom. At the back, it's pretty clean. It just says K1 mechanical keyboard, designed by Keychron. And on the rear end, we have the Type-C connector, so it's battery powered. And then we have connectivity settings, whether you're using Bluetooth, fully off, or cable. So you can connect it via this cable for lower latency, or just Bluetooth. You also have the config modes for Windows/Android versus Mac iOS. Okay, so let's do the keys. I guess we don't need this too. Let's put this away first. Alright. Okay, so we take out the key remover. Okay, let's try this. Well, simple enough. Let's pick up this one too. since it's hot, let's take a closer look at the keys. So we have here, again, the gateron red keys, low profile. Really pretty low. Let me see. Nice, and there's no click to it. It's just a nice view. Alright. Yeah, I keep forgetting that my... Oh, that's all. Just put it on, there's no click to it. And okay, let's see what else is back here. Connect Bluetooth, switch to Bluetooth, press function +1 for 4 seconds. Connect cable. Okay. What's number 3? Change light effect. Press light effect key, which is... Wait, this is a different layout. So my key is over here. My light effect key is this one. Okay, so, which is the top right key. So, Mike, what is this? Okay, so I guess this is the one that they gave a spare orange keycap for in case you want to have like orange on both ends. But let's stick with this first. Alright, I really wanted to get something like even narrower, but I really wanted to keep the page up and page down keys. So they have this new K3 version for next year that is like a vertical set of keys here and slightly narrower over here. I suppose that would be great as well, but it's not available yet, so this is the only one I can have. So that was change light effect. I guess just so I have the white backlit version, so I guess it's just toggling the light key, light backlight on and off. I do not have RGB. I do not need RGB. Switching between function and multi-medium. For Windows, press function +X +L. Well, that is hard. We gotta see how it works. Number 5, disable auto sleep mode. Keyboard goes to auto sleep mode in 10 minutes of sitting idle. Okay, so if that annoys you, you can disable it, which will probably use more battery. We'll see. And number 6, activate Siri. Jeez, seriously. For Cortana, select start settings, Cortana, select the shortcut. No, we do not need to use Cortana. Alright, so that's with the physical keys. Let's set it up with the computer. Okay, we got it powered up. So I switch it to Windows mode and Bluetooth mode. Right, and okay, so to pair it, you press function and the number 1 key and hold it down for 4 seconds. Right, then the one will start blinking. Like this. So this is when it will show up on the Bluetooth pairing. Okay, so now I'm paired with my computer and now it responds properly. So let's just go through some of the funky stuff. We have a caps lock and a battery indicator here. Caps lock indicator is blue and I think battery shows up red when it's low. Currently it seems good. Okay, so we have some light effects actually. So by default we are in this mode where single key lights up, and this is the light button over here, which you can toggle different light modes. So this is everything on. Okay. I have the white backlit, like I mentioned. You have crazy rainbow effect. So I guess it just keeps going on and on. We have fancy spreader effect on any key that you press, which is pretty beautiful, but insane. Next thing we have a zoom on each level, and after that you have this, what do you call this, left right spreading. Next thing, I guess it's full on again. This is subtle shading. Can you see? So it turns on when you start pressing, and then it turns off when you stop. It fades away. Very beautiful. Yep. Now we're back to what is this? Top to bottom. Circular motion. Oh, these Christmas lights. Spreading. Random. Oh my god, how many are there? Some of these are responsive to keys, some are not. Wow. Oh, I guess we are back to the first start. That's great. Okay, so to turn it off completely, function lights. Okay. Alright. So what about the touch and feel? Alright, let's see. Keys are nice, it's matte. It's got this grippy matte feeling, which I hope will be resistant to my finger oils. My finger tends to be a bit oily. Treble is good. Higher than typical like keyboard style key chiclets, but it's not too bad. Height is not that much, so I don't have an armrest or wrist pad, but let's see how it goes. Might need to raise my arm a bit. Will definitely take some time to get used to the key layout. I mean the distancing. Okay, I guess that's it for now. Should I test out with the... Okay, so this is the Keychron K1. Let me know if you want one. I have referral code, I guess, for the Keychron store. Although I bought this on the Singapore reseller, which was offering a fairly good price. It would have been about almost the same if I had ordered it from the UK shop. Probably slightly cheaper from this one actually. And oh yeah, I can connect multiple Bluetooth devices, up to 3.